You can do it, sweetie. Take your time. Done. That's great, you got it. Purple? Purple?
Yes, that's right. Very good.
Purple. Hey there, sweetie. Daddy, I missed you. Dad, I finished it.
Just 1 second, honey.
Dad, can you help me?
Of course, Mia. What do you need?
I need to write the colors, but I forget some words.
What words do you forget?
Dad, I don't get this one.
It's okay, let's look.
Oh, I see. Thank you. You've got it, Mia.
You're doing great, Mia. Now try this color.
Wow, Dad, I got it.
Okay, let's do this together. What colors do you know?
Let me think. You can do it, sweetie. I got it. Yellow. This is yellow.
That's right. Yellow. Very good.
Yay! White. The wall is white.
Perfect. You know more than you think.
Nah. You're doing great. Keep going. Yai? E. What about purple? Is this purple?
No, sweetie, that's pink. That is pink. Pink and purple are close. Pink is lighter.
Wait. Pink, then gray, then purple. Huh. Pink.
Perfect.
Blue. Green. Red. Good job, Mia.
That's right.
Yellow, white, pink, blue, green, red. Good job, sweetie. You got them all right.
Yay! I did the colors, Dad. Wow, that's amazing, sweetie.
Very good, Mia. Very good.
Oh no, not the numbers again. I need to write numbers. 1 to 20.
Don't worry, we'll practice together. Let's count together. Start. You go first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Woohoo! That's my girl. 5 fingers.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's amazing, Mia. I knew you could do it.
9, 10, 11, 12. Is it almost?
What comes after 12?
13?
13. 13.
13.
Say it slowly.
Teen. 13. And,
Good. Now 14?
14. Yes, I did it. 14, 15, 16. Oh.
That's right, Mia. Almost there.
17, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now a cow. Your turn. Teach me. You count. I will listen.
Me, teach you?
Yes. You are the teacher now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Ha ha! You've got it, Mia!
20.
Perfect. You did it.
Dad, thank you.
You're welcome, my dear. Always.
Good job, Mia. Your colors are looking wonderful. Just keep going with the numbers on the right side.
Look, Dad.
That's wonderful, sweetie.
I'm gonna hang it up. You've almost got it, sweetie. Just one more, Dad. Good job, Mia.
I knew you could do it.
Thanks, Dad. I did it, Dad.
That's wonderful, sweetie. Look at this.
It's so good. Thanks, Dad. All done.
Good job, sweetheart. I did it.
Daddy, look what I made.
Wow, that's amazing, sweetie.
Dad, I finished my homework.
That's wonderful, sweetheart. I'm so proud of you.
Hey there. Dad, can you help me?
Always, my dear. Always.